Welcome back, children. Today we are going to make letter N craft and we are going to make a nest. I have arranged some things that we need to make this craft. The first thing that I did was I took a paper plate and I cut it into half and then I colored it with brown color to give it the shape of a nest. And children, when a bird makes a nest, she flies around to faraway places and tries and collect as many things as possible that will make her nest strong. So she can collect grass, she can collect twigs, she can collect a thread, a wool, she can collect feathers, she can collect many things. She can collect tissue papers, so many things. So I have collected some of these things. You can check in your house what all things are available with you. You can be innovative. Make a beautiful nest. With this tissue paper, I am going to tear it. I am going to tear it into tiny pieces because for a bird it is not easy to carry the entire big tissue paper. She only gets to carry a few pieces that she is going to fix on her nest. So that's what we are going to do. We are going to tear some portion of it and we are going to fix it on our nest. That's what we are going to do here. So make sure that you take something to tear. You can take a piece of paper also, tear it. And now here I have my birds. I have taken colorful cotton. You can take normal cotton also. That normal cotton you can color, you can roll it, make it into a circle, then you can dip it into a color, give it some color, and that will become the body of your bird. And here I have got eyes. I have taken a white circle and on that I have given it a darker shade. I have taken dark green. You can take black. And here I have got a beak. The beak of the bird. See, the birdie wants to say thank you for making a nest for me. That's what the birdie is saying. So she is here going to get fixed using the eyes and the beak. And for the beak, I just took a piece of paper, I folded it and then I cut a triangle out of it and that made the beak. So let's start. We are going to fill up our nest base with all these things. Not what we have for the bird. We are not going to touch that right now. But we are going to take the grass, the twigs, the tissue, the feathers and fix it wherever we wish to on the nest base. So let's start. Remember that you can fix these things anywhere on the nest. It's up to you. So I am going to put some Fevicol here and there on the nest base. I'm trying to put as little Fevicol as possible at a time. I'm not putting too much of it. The first thing that I'm going to use is the grass. I can even break it into smaller pieces and I can just put it, right? I can put it anywhere. You can take a bigger piece. You want to put it straight away just like that, that is also fine. You want to break it into tiny pieces. Use your thumb and your pointer of both your hands to do that, right? So make sure that you practice a little bit of tearing also. Tear some things to fix on your nest base. You can even take flowers from your garden. Yeah, you can take leaves. See, I've got this tiny leaf. I found this tiny leaf. I did not break it from the plant. I found it on the floor. So that's where I picked it up from. So you can take a walk around the garden that you have near your house or in your house, and from there you can just choose things that you want to fix on your next. Try and fill up your nest as much as possible with these things. Wow, look at this. I have filled it up with grass and twigs, and I'm pressing it a little so that it gets fixed. And now I am going to take my tissue paper. I'm going to fix that. Alright, so that also I can fix anywhere I want. Little bit of Fevicol. You can try and fix it in between the grass also, somewhere over the grass. Now I'm going to fix this piece of thread also. Now I'm going to fix it anywhere I want, right? Just want to fix it somewhere here, so I'm going to put it there, because the birds just try and put everything together to make their nest strong. And then I have this colorful leaf. I'm going to make sure that this also I fix somewhere, but for that I am going to cut it into smaller pieces. So you can take a real leaf if you want. You can color your leaf, that also you can do. So I'm going to put Fevicol again on corners, and then I'm going to fix it. So I'm going to make my nest colorful. And then we are going to let it dry for some time. By the time our nest is getting dried up, let's get the birds ready. So we have the body here, and we are going to give it the eyes. Let's give it some eyes. The second eye. And then we have the beak. Now beak, I am going to put Fevicol on one of the triangles. The other side will remain open. So I'm going to fix it like this so that its beak can open. Hello, I am a little birdie. And then when this birdie is ready, we are going to keep it aside to dry up, and we are going to get the second birdie ready. The birds are ready, the nest is ready. Now what I am going to do is I am going to give the nest a base. I have taken this blue sheet, it's cut in the shape of a rectangle, and I am going to keep it here, and I am going to paste my nest right here. Alright, and then we are going to paste the birds in the nest. We can paste them together, we can keep them separate. You want to make more birdies, you can go ahead and do that. So now let's paste the nest. Let's fix the nest. Press it a little with light hands, don't press too hard. Okay, give your nest some time to fix. Now let's put some Fevicol on the birds, the back side of the birds, and we are going to fix them in the nest. So I'm going to put it here, right here in the center. The little birdie is right here. Its brother is also going to join. The pink birdie, the yellow birdie is going to join the pink birdie. Right here. Here you go, fellows. Wow, look at that. With light hands, remember children, with light hands. Okay, so they can now chat with each other. They'll not get bored. They can talk to each other. They can be brother and sister, they can be friends, they can be siblings. So now our nest is almost done. Now if you wish to, I have taken another leaf, I have cut it into small pieces, and I can fix it right here near the edges, right? So I can do that like this, give it a little color if you wish to, right? I can fix it like this. So that's up to you. If you want, you can decorate your nest more, or if you feel that that's all that you want to do, that you are done with the preparation of the nest and you don't want to decorate it further, that's also up to you. So this is our nest craft. Nest. The birds are so happy. So make sure that you make your own nest craft and send the photo to ma'am. I'll wait for your photographs. Alright? Take care. Bye-bye.